Pick up this midnight blue metallic 2007 Hummer H3, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 51,032 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.